Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make you learn about a very important software that is used for drawing anything. And we need to draw certain diagrams. Maybe they have to be inserted in any report, any presentation, or for that matter, into your thesis or any report. So, first of all, I have opened this draw.io. You can simply Google it, all right? Draw.io. So you got to click over there and you are going to open this page. So when you open this page, it gives you an option that you can draw a new diagram or open an existing diagram. So from here we can create a new diagram. There are multiple options. We can draw smart templates. We can draw some charts, which can be some sort of flow charts. We can make flow charts specifically of specific shapes. For the sake of simplicity, today we will simply start with basic and we'll simply take this blank diagram. We can even take this flowchart, but then it limits you in this form. So I'm going to, okay, let's start with flowchart. That's also pretty simple. So I'm going to create it and it's going to ask me where you want to save it. So I'm simply saying flowchart 1 and I'm going to save it. Okay. So now, first of all, it has made a generic structure of a flowchart. This block lamp doesn't work. This is a dummy block. I can change it as per my requirement. If the lamp does not work, then I have to see the condition that whether the lamp is plugged in, yes or no. If no, then plug in the lamp. If yes, then bulb has been burned out. If yes, then replace the bulb. If no, then repair the bulb. So basically you can see that these triangles, or not triangles, these one, two, three, four-sided shapes, these diamonds are actually the conditions that something is yes or no. And these rectangles are the state of actions. So we call them the states and we call them the Decision diamonds. So according to this, you can fill your information and this will be a simple flowchart. So if you like this video, do subscribe and do share it with other friends so that they can also get benefited with this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Alright, so we can take an example. For example, I have some images and I say that on the basis of these images, I'm going to decide. So I'm deciding within this diamond that I have some training data. If I have the training data, I'm going to do some annotation. If I'm not going to have data, I'm going to make some fake data. So I'll drag one arrow from here and connect like this. Similarly, I'll drag one arrow from here and connect like this. Then I'll double click and I'll take text and I'll say yes. Similarly, I'm going to do a double click here and I'm going to get this text and write it no. So if I'm going to do this, after this, I am joining it with the next step that is going to happen, and I'm going to join this. Don't click on it. Simply click on this blue icon and connect it with this. And in the end, if you want to add uh, end, then you can again click this blue button with this. So with the fake data, again, you say that once you create that fake data, you want to do this same thing and it will also go here. So in this way, you are closing the loop and this is your flowchart. So this is just an example. There can be multiple types of flowcharts and there can be multiple patterns. So I hope, all right. One important thing that I missed to mention over here is that when you are done with all the changes that you want to do in the diagram, in the end you can go into the file and you can do save as. So when you do save as, it gives you multiple options. You can save it as an XML file, which will be draw.io. But the most usable format is editable vector images or simply editable bitmap images. So if you save it, for example, as abc dot uh, png images, then that image can be portable in any of your document. For example, if I say that I'm working in latex overlay, so I can easily upload this bitmap image, and it can be used easily. For example, this is my png image, so I can click on it, open. So in this way, this image will be loaded into my overleaf, latex, or text maker, any sort of document. In some other video, I'm going to give you a complete overview how this latex or overleaf works. But for the sake of this purpose, see, you got this abc.png over here in this uh, overleaf software. So we can use it, and we can actually import it here. So that was the missing part that I thought it's an important thing for you. So thank you. You're gonna like it and you're going to use it, and if you find any queries you can ask me, and the more you are going to use it, you will explore the further buttons as well. But these are the basic things that are always required whenever you are making a flowchart. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.